Hi there, I'm going to give you a quick example, a little demo on using GUI Generator with uGUI, Unity's new GUI system. You will need Unity 4.6 or higher, obviously, to be able to use uGUI, and it's quite easy to see if it's supported or not, because if you open GUI Generator, you will see this doesn't look faded out like the NGUI panel. NGUI isn't installed, so it can't find on the system. It would say the same. It would say uGUI not found on system. But we do have it, so we will activate it. And now we can create GUI elements for uGUI. I'm going to dock this with my scene. So let's actually just create the uGUI GUI elements first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a panel, and I'm going to get rid of the default alpha. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to create a button, and we'll just do a panel on the button. This is just meant to be a simple example. So we have a panel, we have a button, and I'm somehow working backwards in my scene view. There we go. Let's make these look a bit better. So I go back to GUI Generator. I'm going to make my panel blue this time. I'm not going to use the horrendous green I chose for the NGUI demo. And I am going to give it a border this time as well. Just a simple 1 pixel wide white border. Then I'm going to use a highlight gradient. And I'm going to use the panel color and just lighten the highlight and darken the other side a little bit. If we preview this now, you can see it creates quite a nice little effect. But I'm also going to add a shadow to this. And I'm going to give it quite a wide shadow, 8 wide. If we preview this, it looks like that. Let's save this as our main panel. Main panel. And with, select our panel, with uGUI, all you need to do is drag and drop. And there's your panel. So if you click on the generated image, the little PNG, you'll notice there's a sprite editor that's new in 4.6, that's with uGUI. So if you select that, you can see how it's sliced for you, and GUI Generator's done all that work. All you need to do is use them. So let's alter this ever so slightly and make a button. I'm going to make our button a little bit lighter. And we're just going to make the highlight 1, 4, and we'll get rid of the solid color border. And we'll save this as a button. Select our button, drag and drop the button across. Again, just get rid of the default alpha settings there, and just increase the height a little bit, 40. And there you go. One of the cool things though about uGUI is, because it's all saved just within that image, I could now change this and make it, for example, yellow. Save, overwrite my button. This is watch the main game scene. Overwrite my button, yes, and instantly it'll change. So you can use GUI Generator after the fact. You don't have to design everything beforehand and make any alterations you'd like. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy using GUI Generator.